Welcome back YouTube, welcome back broskies and sisters, and if this is your first time on this channel, let me officially welcome you guys to our channel. On this channel we react to funny comedy clips from TikTok. We basically just want to have a nice time, have a nice laugh and chill and be on some positive vibe. We don't do too much over here, you feel me? Yes, it's been a while, man. It's been a while. I haven't been able to upload it for a while due to some technical issues and to some unforeseen circumstances, I would say, feel me? But yeah, if you can see, we have a new mic, right? So boom, let's clap for that. That's a solid investment for the channel. I won't lie, I be checking out my videos sometimes, bro, and I didn't like how the sound, like how it was sounding, so I had to go and get me a more dynamic microphone just so the input would be dope, feel me? But today, man, we're back and we're back stronger. We have a new video to react to. This one is Rizz, like, you feel me? Rizz. This is just like guys raising up chicks raising up guys. So let's react to some nice Rizz on this video, bro. And if you're out there, you don't got no game, you ain't got no pool, you ain't got no Rizz, be sure to check out this video. This video might be very useful to you. You can apply some of the Rizz you're gonna learn from here in your day-to-day life and shit. Without wasting much of our time, broskies and sisters, let's get straight into the video. And oh, by the way, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so. Subscribe to the channel and let's keep growing. On God, straight into the video, bruh.
There's a lot going on right now.
Making me nervous.
Just the eyes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Adriana, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, that's not an English name, so what are we talking?
I'm Bulgarian. Have you met another Bulgarian?
Still on the checklist.
I hope I make a good impression then.
I mean, I'd be hoping you'd be my first and last Bulgarian woman.
I hope so.
That's very cheesy.
I don't think you can handle me.
Is there anything you don't like about me?
Why do they always say that? Like, I don't think you can handle me. Like, what you mean? Do you mean financially or do you mean like physically? Because like physically, any guy could handle you, but financially, not so much.
Attitude.
That was good. You smell nice.
Thanks.
Where did you come here from?
Wimbledon.
Straight from bed, right?
Yeah.
Because you're wearing your patrol.
That's not the first time someone said that to me wearing this.
It's alright, we can run it back to mine and get you out of them clothes.
Okay,
Ooh.
you pay it.
To get you back to mine.
To
Get you out
get
of
me
the
some new clothes.
No, you can put them back on after.
I want some of those.
Yeah, you want some Sanucci. And if you just drop a little, feeling a bit chilly, I might accidentally give you my jumper.
I'm feeling a bit chilly.
Alright, there we go.
You feeling a bit chilly? You got a jacket on. What you? Oh, but damn,
The fact that it doesn't like necessarily match the fit, but you still look very, very good in it. And just hold it there. I can't lie, she got bunda. Turn it around.
A little bit of bunda. It's not all there, but it's there. You can like, tap shit.
So dinner, and then mine, yeah?
Dinner, an STD test, and then back to yours.
I can shake your hand on that.
Bro, she was ready. She was like ready. She's not even playing games. Like dinner, and then we go do STD, and then we can get it popping. Oh yeah, she was ready, bro. She didn't come to play. Damn. But this guy though, he be pulling everything. I swear, he pulls everything, bro. Some guys are just like blessed like that, bro. That's crazy. Damn. Sheesh.
I'm here with
Alicia?
Are you single?
Yes.
Oh my God. They don't make them like these no more. I mean, they do, but damn, still. Shit.
Find me attractive?
No.
Swear down, rate me out of 10.
0.
Are we gonna skip the lying part and the actual video?
Look at you.
Go on, look at me. Don't look too much, you might fall in love.
Don't tell me what to do. You're a good 6.5 out of 10.
So what's my chances of bagging you? You're looking at my lips an awful much, up here, yeah?
Don't tell me what to do for one. You're not tall enough, so.
You're not tall enough. What the fuck? What you mean he's not tall enough? He's even taller than you are right now, and I bet she got heels on too. But that's the thing, man. When they know their body, they start acting crazy like that. She acting crazy because she knows she fine, and she knows he fine as well. So she's like, I don't want to like do too much type shit. But damn, dog. Ooh. Oh, Lord. Nah, I gotta calm down. I don't want shorty like seeing this video and be like, oh, okay, is that what you been doing? Nah, shorty. I'm just like appreciating God for, you know, doing this. I still got my eyes on you, shorty. You feel me? But hey, she was feeling him though. She was low key feeling him. You know, she was giving him attitude and everything, but deep down, she was feeling him.
You sign about what?
It's jiggling, bro. It got freedom of speech. That ass got freedom of speech because it's moving like this. Damn, bro, I'm crazy, man. Okay, you just gonna cough her like that? Like no talking stage, no nothing, just cough her like that, like boom. Like wherever you go right now, I go. Wherever I go, you go. What you gonna do about it? That's how you get kidnapped, people. Your friends are there looking like they can't even do nothing about it, and that's how you get kidnapped. And they're gonna be like, and then they're gonna put out a statement 2 days later, or we can't find so and so person. The last time she was seen was at a carnival, whatever, and then boom, you, bro.
Nobody wanna see us to get
together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you.
Yo, I kinda like you. You think I could like raise you up like? Wait, let me try again.
It's your birthday.
How do they do something like this, bro?
He skipped. I'm gonna cry, dude.
What is happening right now? Bro, y'all some freaks.
Can I be a Snapchat?
Damn, baby, what's your name? Julia? Where you from, Julia?
From Brazil.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
Hi, mom. Damn, I'm gonna have to go to
That's
Brazil.
your
Hold
mom.
up. Nah, that's very beautiful.
Your
No
mom
problem.
is
Can I have your
that's
Instagram?
your mom. That, no way, that's her mom,
Matter of
bro.
fact, put your number in my phone. You look very beautiful. I need your number. You guys live here?
Ain't no way this her mom, bro. Like if her mom looks like this, then how about her grandma? But how simple is this though? How you just gonna meet someone in a shopping mall and just walking with her mom and you gonna stop them and just get their number? How easy is that? Sometimes, bro, I won't lie, some of this video feels like pre-planned or something. Like it feels planned. I don't know, bro. It's because it's too easy sometimes. It's way too easy. And he's not even 6 feet, bro. He's not 6 feet. What you
How's Brazil?
I thought this was only possible for like 6 feet and upwards and shit.
Damn. Good? How's the food?
Yeah, very good. And it's so hot now.
It's hot? Yeah. See, they got beautiful, you know? How's your day going? It's going good?
Very good.
Nah, it's going better. Hit you up, all right? Have a good one, all right? Bye, mom.
It's easy. Way too easy.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay. Now this one, it's already like it's a 9.9 out of 10 chance he gonna bag her, bro, cause he's like 6 feet, whatever. But boom, damn.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to start you. My fault.
They already giggling.
I'm trying to talk to you. You look good, bro. I can't talk to you. Have a look.
Bro, look at this dude behind here, bro. Look at how he's looking. That's crazy, bro. Hey, wouldn't it be crazy if this guy has been eyeing this chick for a long time and he just couldn't summon up the courage to go talk to her, and then this guy from nowhere just walks in and scooping, bro. Damn. Okay, this how you okay. Okay.
A long conversation or short?
Nah, short one.
It could be short.
What's your name?
Lexi.
I ain't never heard that name before. You go here?
Graduated.
How old are you?
How old are you?
22. How old are you? Is that bad or something? Do I look young?
You don't look young.
You said it like I'm a young nigga.
What's going on?
I'm vlogging, bro. I don't go to the school.
You don't go here?
No.
Where do you go?
I go to Belma.
Okay.
I'm just here for the weekend and I'm doing a little vlog while I'm here. Do you want to say hey to him or something?
Okay.
You do look good for sure. Like, I like your smile 100%. I said I like your smile.
Is this one of the Rizz videos?
This is me talking to you like you look good.
She knew. She knew.
You doing all that? You obviously look good. Can I get your number or something?
Number's kind of crazy.
We can do this one.
Of course.
You know what I'm saying?
Why is number crazy though? I mean, you could block them anyways. I mean, yeah, okay, if you block them, you might get another SIM and call them. Yeah, I get it. I mean, right now, anyways, it's just the IG. Some use Snapchat, but it's more like the IG, because IG you can see her and talk to her. On with her number, you can't really see her unless you FaceTime her, but you wouldn't just FaceTime her like real soon. So I think IG, yeah, IG, yeah, IG is better.
Simple as that.
There's something missing here.
Your number?
Your number.
Why did he do his face like that? Bro, and then when he climbed to the window, bro.
This girl right here, she is super attractive, and I had to ask for a number.
Yeah, if she says no, bro, that would be a first-hand embarrassment. That's crazy, bro. What the hell is this?
I just got out of prison for breaking hearts, but
That was funny, bro. That was funny, bro.
Can I get your number?
Oh my god. You're funny. I could be your mom. I could be your mom.
Ooh,
Oh, wait, this isn't what I ordered.
What'd you order?
you.
I actually wanted your number. I thought you were really attractive. Can I get your number?
Yeah, let me hop in the car right now.
You want to hop in the car? I hopped in the car. Just give me that cookie.
Oh, okay. They're matching the energy. I like that.
Right there.
I'll be with you in one moment.
If a spider bit me to make me a spider, can you bite me to make me your man?
Oh, goddamn. Ooh. Ooh, I like that one, bro. I never heard that one before. So yeah, that one is crazy. If a spider beat me and I became Spider-Man, would you bite me so I can be up? Oh, damn. I mean, I like to do the biting though, so yeah, I be biting, bro. They call me vampire type shit.
Oh my fucking god. No.
But that's creative though. I like it. That's that's crazy. Ooh.
Yo, Mom. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really nervous. There's this girl in front of me on the escalator. She's really pretty. I don't know how to ask. Mom, don't call me up. No, don't hang up. Don't hang up. All right, hold up. Excuse me? I'm not gonna lie, you're fine. You think I get your number? All right, bet. You almost fell for me, or what?
That was a good one.
He's quick. You see, I like not just guys, but I like ladies that like, think quick, that they be like very fast with it. You can make an assist, but then you're gonna have to convert the assist. That's like football terms, you feel me? Soccer, football terms. So yeah, if you don't know what I mean. So everyone needs an assist at some point in their life. You feel me? Just let me up an assist and then let me like convert. She did it. I almost fell. You almost fell for me. You gotta like, you gotta be like quick with
What'd you
it.
tell your mom?
Oh, I told her you were really beautiful.
Aww.
You know?
I hope I get to meet her one day.
Excuse me?
Damn. Okay. She even moved it a step further. Okay. I like the energy. I find those girls to be like super attractive. Like if you can hold a conversation, if you can keep a conversation going, and if you can like, give an assist, like lay some foundations that guys would have to like build on. It's solid. I like that.
What?
That was a good one. What'd you tell your mom?
Oh, I told her you were really beautiful.
Aww.
You know?
I hope I get to meet
I'll
her
have to
one
meet
day.
her one day. That's fire.
Santa sent me here from the North Pole to find what I want for Christmas. Do you think I get your number?
Nah, that's lame. That's lame. Unless it's like a Christmas period, it's lame. It's,
So do you think I get your number?
Say yes.
What's your name?
Celia. Okay. Wait, so what are you doing? Is this just to get girls?
It's for my Christmas. Santa sent
Just
me
to
here from the
get
North
girls.
Pole.
Oh, right. Okay. Awesome.
yeah, okay. Yeah, crazy with the videos, bro.
Excuse me? Yeah. Do you work? I was just like looking for something for my girl.
Okay.
And I was like wondering, like, do you think she'll like something like this?
Yeah, absolutely. These are really, really popular. So I think these are a good pick. I would go in between these two.
Wait, hold on. I can't really hear what it's saying, right? I'm gonna turn up a little bit.
And I was like wondering, like, do you think she'll like something like this?
Yeah, absolutely. These are really, really popular. So I think these are a good pick. I would go in between these two colors.
Okay.
Also, a really good option as well too.
Okay.
Do you have anything in mind of what you were wanting to grab?
Can I show you a picture of her? Just
Yeah.
like so you can kind of see an idea. Sorry. One sec.
Yeah, no problem.
She looks like this.
Nice.
What? Is that good?
Sounds good. Yeah.
Can I possibly like your Instagram maybe or Snapchat or Snapchat? If you can, that's cool.
I just don't really have an Instagram.
Okay, that's fine.
She likes him, bruh.
It's all good. It's good. How old are you, by the way?
Okay. I mean, I don't think not every girl will like fall for that kind of Rizz, but I mean, I guess if you have it, you just have it in you type shit. But hey, man, that's the video. I hope y'all like this one. I hope y'all find some of some Rizz that y'all can like use and pull girls in your everyday life and shit. If you don't pull girls, I don't even know why you need to like pull girls anyways, but you know, do you. But hey, man, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. We're gonna do another Rizz video real quick, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's keep growing on our way to 1,000. Fuck with me, y'all, and I'll see you guys on the next one. We out. Peace.